Guys, welcome to Chelsea Court. Guys, welcome back to another video. And today, mag-property tour naman tayo guys. May iba naman tayo ng content. We are at my show home right now. Dito po to sa Chelsea Court, Chestermere, Alberta. And I'm currently selling 2, 3, and 4 bedroom townhouses po. And we are starting at high 300s for our quick possession. If you have any questions guys, let me know. I'm more than happy to help you out. And if you're not pre-approved yet, I can guide you through the process. If you're a first-time home buyer, meron pong ni-roll out si government in regards with the GST rebate. There's no more GST. Match-shop na po natin yung GST on the selling price. So it's really a good advantage in regards with first-time home buyers guys. So tara, let's take a tour. Pagpasok po natin for 3 bedrooms or for inner units, which is my Regent unit. Yung third bedroom niya po will be on the main floor. So this is currently my office right now. Pero just imagine there's a wall here and then a door on this side. Tapos that door will be your garage. Don't worry, papakita ko po sa inyo sa taas yung layout ng 3 bedroom inner unit. Tapos kapag corner unit naman po is, it will be 3 bedrooms on the upper level, just like that one. Tapos 2 car tandem garage, and then living room and main floor. Tapos, sa inner units, kapag yung bedroom po nandito, you'll have your full bathroom right here with a shower. And then, as I mentioned earlier, yung garahe po natin will be here. Tapos, meron na rin po tayong standard na roughed in for EV charger. So just in case you converted your vehicle to an EV in the future, all you have to do is buy the charger and have it professionally installed. And then, ito na po yung garahe natin. Tapos this door will be your furnace room. So you have your hot water tank, electrical panel, and then HRV, HVAC system, tapos yung filter for the furnace. Tapos aside from that, meron din po tayong door right over here. So that's a separate door. So at least you don't have to open and close your garage door kapag magtatapon po kayo ng basura, kasi po yung basura will be outside of the complex or the units. Meron po tayong 3 color na pwedeng pagpilian. The most popular color that we have is the Moonlight Package. This will be the standard. Same as the show home po siya. Papakita ko po sa inyo sa taas. Ito po yung backsplash, LVT o luxury vinyl tile na ginamit sa washroom. Tapos this one is the flooring, quartz countertop, and then yung carpet. Tapos this will be a driftwood, so medyo different tone po siya. Lighter color pa din, pero yung cabinet niya po is all white. And then grayish po yung sa washroom. Obviously, charcoal will be a little bit darker color or darker tone. Let's head up upstairs so I can show you around, guys, kung ano pang available natin na lote. Unfortunately, wala na pong available na quick possession. The next unit will be done by early November and early October. So those are the units that I have available right now. Pagkakit po natin sa taas, ang bubungad po sa atin is this door here. And that's a closet. Tapos, this will be your half bathroom. Tapos, meron din po siyang bintana. And at least if you have guests coming over, they don't have to go up and down para lang mag-washroom, right? Also, ito na po yung ating kitchen area. To our newer units, moving forward, kasama na po dito yung built-in microwave, chimney hood fan, same as the show home. Ganito na po siya. Ganito yung ginawa ko in regards with upcoming units. Basically, parang standard na siya. And also, meron din po siyang kasamang AC roughed in and gas line to deck. So, yung barbecue gas line, kasama na rin po siya. And if nakikita nyo guys, yung zebra blinds all throughout the unit, kasama na rin po yan sa sale. Mula sa baba hanggang sa taas, kasama na rin po siya. And whatever you see here, as I showed you downstairs, standard po siya from the flooring, color cabinets, and also soft close po lahat yan. Yon! Soft close din itong mga cabinets natin. Right there. And standard po yan. Backsplash. Also the sink, the Blanco sink, standard din po siya. Also, this one we're only using Moen brand for our plumbing fixtures, which is much durable and kilalang brand po siya. This will be your kitchen area. Also guys, meron din tayong pantry right here. Conveniently located on this side. And then, yung fridge natin, obviously, kapag sa may built-in appliances, dito po yung fridge. And alam mo guys, the best para sa akin is the chimney hood fan. Mas gusto ko siya, one of the reason is because malakas siyang humigop ng usok or humigop ng kung ano may niluluto mo dito. And then, hindi siya, madali siyang linisin. Kasi yung mga over-the-range microwave, kung mapapansin nyo, syempre tayong mga Pilipino, ang hilig natin magluto ng mga prito, right? Based on my experience, pagbukas mo ng pinto ng over-the-range microwave, naglalangis yung mga mantika sa mga sulok-sulok. At least every 2 weeks nililinis ko yun. Just to maintain it. So, yun lang din yung medyo off sa OTR. So, mas prefer ko na to ngayon. So, kung magkakaroon ako ng bahay ulit, ganito na yung papakabit ko. Laging chimney hood fan na. So, yon. Tapos, ito pala guys, yung ating lot. So, right now, Block 3 and Block 11, yung under construction right now. This will be done by early November. This will be done by early October. This will be 17th Avenue, Marganser Drive. And then, the whole project will be finished in next May. That's the projection na matapos yung buong project. And as I mentioned earlier guys, bago kayo ituloy sa tour, pag-usapan muna natin price. Pricing ko ngayon is for a 2-bedroom tandem garage. That will be Unit 53 and Unit 54. That's only 394,484. This one has the flex room on the main floor. Unit 54 is a 2-car tandem garage, 2 dual masters sa taas. That's 391,304. Guys, that includes GST already. So for the first-time home buyers out there, sobrang helpful talaga yung ni-roll out ni government in regards with the GST rebate. And for the quality and service that you are getting here sa Chelsea Court, guys, panalong-panalo ka na. And also the resale value in the neighborhood, if you check sa MLS, yung mga recently sold is about 420 to 440. Yun yung range ng resale value sa neighborhood. Speaking of, papakita ko sa inyo guys yung layout. Alright guys, so yung layout ng 2-bedroom natin. So this is Unit 54, 285 Chelsea Court. So ganito yung magiging itsura niya. So you have your 2 dual masters here. Tapos 2-car tandem garage siya. Same as here, living room. Isa lang naman yung layout niya. So that will be living room, kitchen, and dining. Pare-parehas lang po siya sa corner tsaka inner. So ayan po yung 2 bedrooms natin, which is priced again at 391,304. That includes GST already, guys. If you're a first-time home buyer, ima-minus natin yung GST, roughly around 19K for that price, approximate. So, ima-minus po yun. Pwede na po natin i-minus upon writing the offer in regards with the GST rebate, which is really a good news, right? Alright, next, Unit 45 naman po is, this one is a 4 bedrooms, guys. Corner unit siya. So, meron kang 3 bedrooms sa taas. Meron kang, obviously, yung master bedroom, you have your walk-in closet, you have your ensuite bathroom. Tapos, merong shared washroom sa taas. Tapos, same pa din siya dito sa main floor. Meron ka rin still a washroom, a half bathroom. And then, dun sa baba, sa entrance sa baba, you'll have a den/bedroom with a full washroom, guys. So, ang daming washroom nito. 1, 2, 3.5 bathroom. Tapos, yun nga lang, ang cons niya is, ma-convert siya to a 1-car garage. But, you have a lot of living space. This one naman po is listed for 438,551. And that includes GST as well. Guys, just remember, lahat po ng corner units natin is a 3 bedrooms sa upper level. Like this one, 1, 2, 3. Kasi mas malaki po yung corner units. With a dual tandem garage, same po dito sa living space sa main floor. Kapag inner unit na 3 bedrooms, ganito po yung magiging layout. So you have your dual master still, and the 3rd bedroom will be on the main floor. Same as the show home. So guys, visit me here at 84285 Chelsea Court, Chestermere para ma-feel nyo yung property, right? Tsaka makita nyo yung finishing. Kasi para sa akin, as I mentioned before to my previous videos, na ang property ay makanya-kanyang aura yan, guys. I-feel nyo yung property, right? Kasi hindi ka lang naman dun titira ng 2 years, 3 years, right? At least 5 to 10 years minimum. Build the property. Ito ba talaga yung property na gusto kong tirahan, right? And again, this is brand new and built by Trico Homes, guys. So anyway, continue tayo sa tour. So yung ibang units ko, guys, meron silang Peninsula Island, yung iba wala. So it really depends. Depende sa price range, depende sa ano. Pero yung iba meron, yung iba wala. But basically everything has a semi-built-in appliances, chimney hood fan, built-in microwave, huge fridge, tapos may dishwasher din right over there. Tapos ito yung dining area, tapos yung chandelier, tapos pag yung Peninsula Island, yung chandeliers are standards, guys. Tapos ito naman yung magiging living space natin. Itong particular showroom na to is, dito yung TV. Dito namin nilagay. Pwede mo rin baliktarin kung gusto mo. Dito mo ilagay yung TV, dito yung sofa, right? Ganito yung itsura niya, guys. So, ganyan. Dito sa side na to, sa angle na to, ganito siya. So, you have your TV there, living room, dining, tapos kitchen. Ang dami nga nagsasabi, guys, na pag galing sila sa labas, sabi nila, oh, parang ang liit naman yan. Pero, pagpasok nila, ang laki pala. Kasi, yung layout namin is pahaba. Hindi siya palapad. So, pahaba siya, guys. Yung ano mong ganong kahaba yan. So, 15 feet wide. Tapos mahaba siya. Alright? Tapos guys, may isa pa pala akong gustong i-share sa inyo. We are the only builder, guys, that uses hardyboard siding. Ano ba ang hardyboard siding? So hardyboard siding is a mixture of cement and wood chip. So basically, it's a wood panel. Even yung mga pillars natin, wood panel yan, guys. It's more durable, more cost-effective in the long run, and hail-proof basically, guys. So hindi siya basta-basta masisira ng hail. Again, kahit saan naman ngayon sa Calgary nag-hail eh, right? Dati sa South Calgary, hindi nag-hail, never. Ngayon, kahit saan na nag-hail, and you'll never know, right? It's nature, that's beyond our control. So, that's a good, plus. Kasi, matibay siya. Close up natin. Wood yan, guys, wood. Tibay niyan. Not unless basagi mo ng maso, yun. Dun yan masisira. So anyway, moving forward, guys. So that's our main floor right here. Again, you have your living space here, dining room, and kitchen. Bathroom or half bathroom is located right there. Para at least if you have guests coming over, again, it's convenient na. Nandun lang siya. Hindi na sila aakyat baba. Diba? Sobrang convenient siya. Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa third floor. Nandito tayo sa bedroom side. So this one here is the master bedroom. So again, inner unit tong show home. So this will be 2 dual master, magkabila. And then the third bedroom will be on the main floor. Zebra blinds comes with the unit, guys. Tapos, ito yung washroom. So you have dual vanity, floating cabinetry, and kasama na rin tong mga light fixtures, guys. Again, soft close yan. Tapos this one is standing shower. You have your storage right over here, your bathroom, or your toilet seat right here. Tapos, ito yung walk-in closet, guys. Tingnan mo naman yung walk-in closet na yan. Pwede ka pa maglagay ng isang single bed. Diba? Ayan, oo. Yan yung walk-in closet natin. Alright. Tapos, dito sa may hallway, sa kaliwa, meron ka ding storage, more storage. So, lagay ng mga kung ano-ano. Tapos, guys, sa price pala, before I forget, kasama rin yung washer and dryer. Dun sa price, ha? So, washer and dryer, that's our washer and dryer. Kasama na po siya sa presyo. Tapos, this will be the second bedroom. You have your blinds again, huge windows. Tapos, same. Yun nga lang, ito hindi siya dual kasi this is the second bedroom. So, one sink, floating cabinetry as well. Tapos, ito na yung bathtub. Same concept, you have your toilet seat and your cabinetry. And again, guys, ito yung closet, oh. Lawak, oh. Alam mo gano'ng kalalim yan. If you're looking for 2 bedrooms na high 300s, wala kang makikita ng ganong presyo. Kami lang ang competitive sa market in regards with that price and also the quality of the build of Trico Homes. And hindi lang yon. You have to think about after possession, right? Paano ba nila itrato yung client namin after possession? If you have any concerns, if you have any, problem with your unit, right? Kasi meron tong warranty. Guys, our warranty team are really good on responding right away. If you have any concerns, if you have any, questions, so on and so forth. Meron nga akong recently client, magpapakabit ng aircon. Na-reply sila agad ng warranty team namin. So that's one point or kailangan mong tanungin, right? Kung ganong kaganda ba yung service ng warranty team or after possession care. So again, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm more than happy to help you out if you're confused about the process, right? If you're not pre-approved yet, nandito lang ako to guide you guys. So again, guys, makita nyo lang ako dito sa Unit 84, 285, Chelsea Court, Chestermere, Alberta. Built by Trico Homes. And my name is Marvin. If you have any questions, let me know. Tawag lang kayo, text me, call me, DM me sa akin social media. And I'm more than happy to help you out. See you guys. Peace. Bye.